Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Captiva LS Captiva 7, stock reference number 5470. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear door has one large dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, the spoiler is faded, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.